Staying fit doesn't mean you have to invest in expensive gym memberships or costly equipment. With the right planning, you can build a highly effective gym at home, even on a tight budget. This guide will walk you through every step needed to set up your affordable home gym, helping you achieve your fitness goals right from the comfort of your home. 1. Determine your fitness goals. Clarifying your fitness goals helps you choose the most effective equipment for your needs. Whether aiming for weight loss, strength training, or overall health, having clear objectives guides your purchases and prevents overspending. 2. Setting your budget. Establish a realistic budget by considering essential gear first. Prioritize versatile equipment and look for second-hand or discounted items to maximize your investment. 3. Selecting a dedicated space. Choose a comfortable, distraction-free area in your home. Basements, garages, or spare rooms can be converted efficiently into workout spaces. 4. Essential budget-friendly equipment. You don't need expensive machines to get fit. Focus on versatile, affordable equipment like resistance bands, adjustable dumbbells, yoga mats, and stability balls to effectively target various muscle groups. 5. DIY home gym solutions. Save more by creating DIY equipment. Items like sandbags, homemade kettlebells, or wooden plyo boxes can significantly reduce expenses while still delivering great workouts. 6. Finding great deals. Explore online marketplaces, thrift stores, garage sales, and social media platforms for used equipment. Patience and persistence often lead to amazing finds at affordable prices. 7. Maximize space with smart storage. Organize your home gym efficiently with compact storage solutions like wall mounts, racks, or shelves, ensuring your workout area remains tidy and inviting. 8. Creating a motivating environment. Enhance your home gym ambiance with motivational posters, good lighting, mirrors, and energizing music. These simple touches can significantly boost your workout motivation. Conclusion: building an affordable home gym doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By carefully selecting equipment, utilizing DIY options, and creatively organizing your space, you can create a powerful fitness environment tailored specifically to your goals and budget.